In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the lovely Lily Pad stamp set and dies. So here's the card. I used the subtle embossing folder for the background. Here are all the pieces right here. Here are the dies, so I can show you what they look like. Oops. I also used this stamp set too, sending a little something in the Sending You Thoughts celebration that you can get for free when you purchase $50. This is also a celebration item, the lovely lily pad, as well as these lily pad dies. So for $100 you can get both of these for free. So it's got some little outline elements that I've cut out in the Gorgeous Grape, and then I've cut out the lily pads and the lilies as well. And if you watch my other two videos coming up, you'll see that I've used these dies too. So for this card, I'm just going to start by adhering this background piece down. And I use more adhesive than I normally do just because there's less surface area for the adhesive to grab. My adhesive is super tight. Loosen up, dude. Why is it so tight? Okay, and I'll just place this down. And then I'm going to add all these little elements on. Since this one is going to be behind everything, I'm just going to put a strip of adhesive down and then adhere that down. But these are going to show, so I'm going to use some adhesive for these. Just some liquid adhesive, just put little drops of it all over. And then use tweezers to perfectly place it. I'm going to do this one. I love using the tweezers, it just makes it so easy. Probably about there. And then you can use a block to kind of press it down and hold it. So I'm going to show you how these reversible stamps work. You have one side that has the outline or the image, and then you have the other side which is solid. So say for this one, you're going to start with the outline in Gorgeous Grape. Let's see, that's Highland Heather. Here's Gorgeous Grape. And so you're going to stamp that first, like so. And then you're going to clean this off, and you're going to flip it over. And then you can either stamp off and use the same color but a lighter shade, or you can use a lighter color, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the Highland Heather. And then these don't perfectly line up, but they're pretty close. Close enough that you cover the area, I think, pretty well. And then you can cut this out using the dies. So that's how reversible stamps work. So now I can add everything down. I'm going to put dimensionals on all of these, and then I'm going to use some of this. I always use everything, all the edges of my dimensionals. Okay, and then for that I'm going to use the little dimensionals. And then this just gets adhered down flat. And then I need to stamp Sending a Little Something, also from the Sending You Thoughts stamp set. Pretty good. Okay, so now I'm going to start putting the card together. So I'm going to add this one over here like so, and I like to put my dimensionals in the middle so that I can tuck things like this lily pad underneath from all sides. So if I forget these two elements, I can still tuck them in because the dimensional's in the middle and it's not blocking anything. So I'm also going to tuck this one in underneath a little bit. And then place the lily pad under too. So just tuck that under, and then I'm going to trim this a little bit. I want it to be pretty super thin. So I'm going to put adhesive on the back of it and then just adhere it flat onto the card over here. And that is the card. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel so you can check out all my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.